Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. So a lot of people were calling for Black Monday, but obviously we did not get that. I don't really think anybody should have expected that though. So what happened today is that we did come down and we did take out our 417.78 demand right there. And we actually did get a new demand right here. So we basically just barely moved down our previous demand to 421.14. So as of right now, the way you look at it is that the bulls need to close back over 421.14, and then they're going to look to get back up here to 426.16, which is the daily 200 EMA. That's where they want to retake. However, the bears, now that they are back under, they rejected the recovery, they're going to be looking down here to 414.54 and potentially 410.10. Now, if we go over to futures daily here, same thing. So I'm going to draw in our little bear channel that we're in right now. There you go. So you can see we're in this really nice bear channel here. And same thing here, same idea. So we did get a new daily demand, which is right here at 42.48. So that takes out the previous 42.63. Same thing here. We now, although it's a little different for the bulls here, on futures here, we are under that level, over that level. So now we're going to need a closure under 42.48, and then we're looking at 41.87. However, if the bulls can maintain 42.48 demand support, then again, our target is right here at the 200 EMA at 42.96. Going over to the Qs here, so similar idea actually. So we just basically moved down this 355 demand right down there to 354.52. So we did get that new demand, and if you look back here, since we bounced off it back here on September 26th, we've done a really good job of defending this area. So the bears are going to need a closure under 354.14, which that has not happened since right here on June 8th. So that's almost 5 months that we've held this level through all the different sell-offs and bounces and whatnot. So again, bears need to get under 354.14, and then we'll target 347.5. However, if this can just now hold as double demand and support, again, our target is the 100 EMA at 359.46, and that is what the bulls will need to retake to have an upside push. Going over to NQ here, same idea. We got, again, the new demand, which moves down previous. So our new support area is 14.647. Same thing all the way back here to when we took it on June 9th. We have not been below that area. So the bears are going to need a closure under 14.647, and then we'll be looking at 14.282 and 14.313 down here as our possible, also with the 200 EMA there, target. However, if the bulls can get this back over 14.875, there's a good chance that this will be, much like back here, our bounce up area. Now going over to the VIX here, you can see we have our general blue up channel that we've been in since August. However, you can see we have a more steep one here that gives us a bit of a rising wedge actually. And today we actually did get a new daily supply, which takes out that 19.8 level that was ever so critical. So right now, what we're looking for is, are we going to come down here? And I don't actually have my other demands on here for some reason. So let me put those on there. Give me 1 second. I'm not sure why those aren't on there. Sometimes trading view just is goofy. So we have another demand right here at, let's see, 17.17 and then 16.08. So these are our double demands right here. And then also there is actually another supply. Again, I don't know what happened in my chart here, but that's all right. So we do have another supply right down there at 19.31. So again, we came up, put the new supply in at 21.7. We rejected that 22.65 area I pointed out before. So again, this 21.7 to 22.7 basically area is a big rejection area. Came down, took out one supply. So the bulls are going to want to see us come down through the 8 EMA, take out 19.31, and then retest this 16.1 to 17.1 double demand area. However, if we can get a bounce off the EMA tomorrow and back up in this 21.7, if not over it area, then that really could bring us down to those levels that we are talking about to the downside here. So this really is anybody's game here. We do have earnings for Google and Microsoft tomorrow night. I do think those could, as bigger companies and obviously a lot of weight in tech and SPY, those very well could move the markets tomorrow after hours. Tesla did not do very good on its earnings. It had a terrible earnings call, and it really didn't even do that good on actual earning results with revenue and EPS and stuff. So if we see Microsoft and Google follow suit, I would fully expect the next leg down. And the day after that, we'll get Meta and Amazon the day after that. So those are three back-to-back days there where if we have some poor earnings, I could see some legs down definitely happening on the markets here. So it'll be interesting to see how this week shakes out with earnings. That's going to be the catalyst. Jay Powell is scheduled to speak on Wednesday night at like 4:30 or something like that. It's just like a small, like little town hall thing, I think, again. So it shouldn't be anything too major. I did see on the schedule there is 2 Fed speakers for some reason this week, which doesn't make sense because this is supposed to be the quiet period for the Fed because FOMC is next Wednesday the 1st. So I'll be interested to see if that actually happens or not. But I hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I'll try to get another video up for you guys tomorrow.